Hi otters! I was thinking of a joyful event with my kids. It was a long time ago and we were all together in an amusement park. I don't tend to like amusement parks so much, but the fact we were all together and just had a lot of fun, even though it was raining cats and dogs, was a really nice memory. And as I thought of that event, I couldn't keep myself from smiling. I had fun only by having that memory. Even though I'm having a nasty back pain today, I was smiling and things didn't look that bad. That made me think of how powerful our own thoughts are, how much our mood is influenced by thoughts, and how we also could help ourselves to get out of a bad day. I wanted to take that idea with me into my atelier, and I thought what the affirmation "I am joyful today" did for me. When I think of joyful, I think of rainbows, unicorns, glitter, and loads of color. That was what I took with me into my painting. So I took a blank page and created a rainbow-like painting, using loads of color, all different kinds of media, from paint to markers, pencils, and oh, I'm in love with pastels at the moment, as they make such beautiful and bright marks on a final painting. Using an affirmation and turning it into a painting is a lot of fun. And hopefully, when I look at it on a later time, I will remember that happy affirmation, "I am joyful today," that is connected to it. To turn a daily affirmation into a work of creativity has something magical. It makes you feel the connection between the act of painting and your mind. I started this journey as I recognized the link between my daily mindfulness practices and creating art. Mindful creativity gives you so much benefits for your brain, your mood, and your overall life. That's why I started this channel, to show you my journey and teach the things I've learned so far. This is not your normal art channel. I try to show you it's not about what you create, but it's the fact you do create. I show you the fights with my inner critic that tries to tell me I'm not creating worthwhile art at all, and still I'm doing it. I would like to encourage you to start to use words to empower your intentions. Use color to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen, and use all different kinds of colors and brushes just for fun. It's okay to make ugly things, it's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to create a mess. It's all about the use of art and creativity as a mindful practice, and to create some being in the present moment every single day. Because of this idea, this channel and my art can be beautiful, or it can be weird, it can be messy, or even ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made that day. I don't do the things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I make without a filter, and hopefully I'm able to inspire you to start creating too, or to keep you creating without being harsh to yourself. If you like what you see, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Think of a joyful event and take that thought with you in your daily creation. Remember, you are an amazing human being, and last but not least, remind yourself of everything you are grateful for. I hope you will create something beautiful, or no, something today. A big hug from me, and bye-bye for now.